fast break ngayon. And you shoot. And rebound still. Reverse fly out. And target. Pull up jumper. Short takes Ramos. Fight off the glass. Bakit yun? And we go number 4. Race. Bakit for 2.
Mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa semifinals ng Ilocos Sur. Game 2 para sa laban ng Kabugao at Kawayan. Jump ball. And a first ball possession. To the hoops. Fires first blood. Fourth.
And here Team Kawayan. Number 23 pull-up jumper. Won't go, rebound Kabugao, the long pass. And he's stolen. Number 7 behind the back dribble. He throws over. He spins, he fakes. He kicks out. Launches on 3, short. And rebound still. Reverse fly out. And target. That's Garcia. And it's number 14. He kicks out. Garcia. Taking it easy. He passed to number 14. He drives. Pull-up jumper by number 1. Short takes Ramos. Fight off the glass. Bakit?
Number 14 to number 8. Ramos holds the ball. Sumisinyas na bumagitna yung kasama.
He passed to the middle. Number 18. He attacks. He passed. Number 1. Pull-up jumper. Rebound Ramos. He spins. Fake. Bumalik. Rebound putback.
Pass to number 23. The cross pass Anda. He stop for 3. Short. Rebound para dito sa Kawayan.
And fast break ngayon. And his team Kabugao to the ring.
Mid lane. He stop. He pass to the middle. Pinasa pabalik. Lays. Pabalik-balik. 18 sharing the play. Pass to number 15. Number 23 Corpus. He pass back. Attacks. Kicks out. Corpus. Pinasa ng kalaban. Pass break. And loses the ball. Ramos for the inbound. Looking for the receiver. To the corner. Wild open for 3. Short. And one bounce. And he fires short. Rebound pa rin. Pat back. Bakit? That's number 7. Number 3, bounce pass. Number 4. Number 8, pull-up jumper. Bakit? Ramos. Number 23. He pass to number 15. Bounce pass to the middle. Corpus. He spins. Corner pass. Pull-up jumper. May foul and 1. To number 2. To the corner. Attacks, stops, pull-up jumper, short, battle for the rebound. Pass on the middle, ang gandang pasa naman. Goes to Kitoriano, corner pass, pull-up J. Bakit? Here's Ramos with the ball. He drives inside, he kicks out, pull-up jumper. Bakit? 18, si Rivan. Bounce pass. He pass back. Natapikan. Here's number 10 to the corner. 3. Short. Battle for the rebound. He pass to number 8. Ramos. Fires off the glass. Ramos. And 21 seconds left. And pass to the corner. Pull up jumper. Bakit? Kitoriano. End of. And long pass, number 17, easy 2. And he pass, number 12. Number 14, Kitoriano kicks out sa 3. Wala. Here's Ramos, he's on Harry, pass. And easy 2.
Agawan. And long pass. Ready to space. Bakit? Backdoor inbound, bounce pass, fix, flat fire, and 1. And we number 4, race, bucket for 2. That's Kitoriano. Nakalusot, bucket. Ramos, pass to the middle. 1 bounce 15. Stolen, na-recover, Pike. Libre si Ramos. And his team, Burgo, he fires bucket. And he goes heading the play. And number 9 to the middle. Plays Kitoriano for 2. And Ramos holds the ball. He bounce pass to number 2. Holding the ball. And a pass back to the corner. The bounce pass. Ramos open for 2. Easy 2. Number 9. Number 18. He drives to the ring. Too strong. Rebound put back of the glass. And 1. Number 2 for Team Kabugao. Corner pass. Kicked out. Drive to the middle. He pass, recovered by Ramos. He pass on the inside. Number 13, Ramos. Tagilid, bumangga, fading away. Oops, talsik si Ramos. Number 18, the crossover, bumangga. Nagawan ng Kendi. Ramos. Ramos, pass on the inside. Binangga, pasok ka. Number 7 to the corner, pull up J, bucket. That's the bucket.
And goes to Team Pars, basket and 1.
And ball possession. Rebound for Team Kabugao. He goes to the rim, bumangga. Looking for the receiver. He pass to number 14. He goes to the middle. Garcia with the ball. Umatake mula sa gitna. He kicks out. Ramos. Corner pass. Wala. Kitoriano. Kitoriano. Kitoriano sa glass. Bucket. And it's number 7. So number 15. Pull up J. Bucket. Back to ball. Station 14 Kabugao. Number 14. And the pass, the pull-up jumper, bucket for 2. Number 23. Kitoriano to the ring, no good. And his Team Kabugao. Ramos all the way to the hoop, bucket for 2. And ball possession for Kawayan, number 15. Into the hoop, left hand, shot, pass off. And ball possession for Team Kawayan. Corpus with the ball. He dribbled the ball, he spin, he stops, and he pass on the inside. Corner shot to Kitoriano, bounce for 2. And the long pass. Ramos to Mike Gray, side step, bucket, Ramos. And his Team Kabugao, number 2. He asks for the stick. He attacks. He stops. Creates space for Ramos. Ramos drives. He kicks out. Pull up jumper long 2. Bucket. And now 15-point lead for Team Kabugao. And at the corner, he drives. He bumps. He lays up. No good. Rebound Kitoriano for 2. Push. Pass to number 7, Anda. Anda dumistansya. Long country. Off the mark. Rebound Ramos. Number 2 goes to the rim, bumangga, pinabitin. Bucket. Anda, he drives. He fires off the window. Bucket. Number 12. Fires short. Rebound. Bucket. Setting the play to the corner. Pass back. Corner pass. Drive, picks. Kicks out. Sa tres. Not good. Battle for the rebound. So, una na. Number 2. Binipit.
And a pass break, number 7 on Harry. Oh, nagkarambola sa loose. Dribbling the ball. He passed to number 12. Pass to the middle. Crossover, number 18. He drives. Ball is stolen. And pass to Ramos. Ramos all the way to the room. Easy bucket. And here's Tim Kawayan, number 12 with the ball. He passed to the middle, number 23, Corpus launches on 3. Bang! Number 14 for Team Kabugao. Di Discarte. He pass back. Number 2, Ramos with a drive, reverse layup, short. And a pass break. And he drives, lays, easy bucket. Bounce pass. He pass. Attacks, nakalusot, bucket. And here's number 19 with the ball to the middle, to the corner. Attacks, stops, far short. Rebound, Ramos. Uy. Rebound. The bounce pass to number 7. He spins, he goes out. Another spin. Number 7 crossover. Pull up, wala. Rebound. Step back for 3. Short. Rebound. Ramos. Number 18. Sa gitna. Attacks. No, but Ramos looking for the receiver to the middle. Create space, fars of the glass, no good. And rebound. Here you go, Team Kawayan. Fars at 3. Short. Rebound. Put back of the glass. Bucket. And down to 8. Here's number 14. Walang gumardia. To the basket. Easy way in. Pass. Corpus. Side step to the rim. Short. Rebound. Pull up jumper. No good. Tips in. Wala pa rin. Oh. And attacks. Pull up J. Short. Crossover. Number 14. Ramos. Ramos. Sa gitna. Paeste. Paeste. Lace. Short. Rebound. Mapupunta kay Ramos. Bakit? Dapat ko rebound. And it's 19. Ramos. Nice step for the fly. Oh! That's good! Nice move, Ramos. And here you go. Vitoriano with long pass. Ramos. Ramos. Pinasa. Congratulations. Team Kabugao. There's a game.